Welcome once again to the city of Constellation. Okay, let's be done with this science and theory mumbo jumbo, and we're gonna have some fun this week. Okay, as you can see, I've got the same four houses and the one broken one over here. I have a new design over here. I'll get into that in a minute, but a couple of additions to this to the city today. I have a working water fountain. Now all those batteries are still being charged. These guys right here, they're still being charged. They're still halfway, they're out of gas. They were out of gas an hour ago. I don't know where they're at now, but I've got enough juice right now to power the batteries, to charge those batteries, and to power this little fountain. And I'm sure you haven't missed this. Yeah, we have a little, we've got a city going on here. So without further ado, we'll show you what I have. I have a little roller coaster. Now this is all being powered off of these four houses, not necessarily that one, but I got four houses here with excess power to power both this fountain and a roller coaster. Now I have a couple of new additions on here too. I went ahead and with the batteries that came out of the solar lights, the landscape lights, these are the batteries that came with the landscape lights. Now I've got three of these wrapped up in parallel to each other. So as you recall last week, each of these batteries had a storage capacity of 150 milliamp hours, rated at 1.2 volts a piece. And in parallel, I add those the capacity together to get myself 450 milliamp hours at 1.2 volts per package here. Now I've got three of these at 2.0 volts, 1.2 volts, 1.2 volts, and I have these guys linked up to each other in series. So we're going to add the voltage together. I've got about 3.6 volts coming out of these batteries. Now the reason why I have this going on here, I decided, you know, waste not, want not. Here's the theory behind this, and I actually tested it and worked out. These little battery packs act as a capacitor to the line, so they absorb any spikes and lulls you're going to have in the signal coming out of all this. So say for example, this is why I brought my funky little tapestry out here, my beach blanket. I'm going to go ahead and now bear in mind I have a roller coaster and a fountain going off here. Are they both in frame? Yeah, cool. All right. I'm going to go ahead and put some shade on here. Should probably think about putting that see, they're slowing down a little bit. The roller coaster's taking a little bit of a hit from the shade, but I've got all these houses are in shade right now. So this whole system's running on the ambient light that these cells are still putting out a little bit of power, but most of it's being run by these arrays of NiCad batteries. The idea behind this really is that, well, when this gets dark, I want to have maybe another hour or two or three worth of power going into this system. So once that sun goes down, these things will still be working. Now I'm still coming up with some kind of an idea to get some kind of a nighttime thing going on. The battery's going to be part of it, but it won't be all. I'm probably going to have some kind of a generator on here later down the road, but I just wanted to make this a short one this week, just to show you exactly what this city is capable of. Now I only have four houses running on this right now, and I do have this new design little house over here. Let me go over here real quick. I wasn't really going for the bedrock look when I made these houses, but that's what I ended up with. It looks like the Flintstones live here. So I made a new house here. This is made out of foam core. I put this together about an hour ago. The glue's still drying, but it's and the design is such as that I got I like triangles. I like 60-degree and 120-degree angles. So that's what design is based upon. I've got this linked up like these. I've got, let me pull this out real quick. I got a little something in here, but that's the construction of it. I can build 2 of these houses on 1 sheet of foam core. I got another one in the in my house right now, drying, and trying to improve on getting these together. Maybe I'll put some you know, paint or wallpaper or something like that in there. But right now, I mean, that's what I got right now. And also the idea with this having a sloped roof is I put a PD on here, have a better angle on the sun. So instead of having them flat on the houses like these guys over here, I'm gonna have a panel, boom, you know, right there, aimed directly at the sun during the noontime hours. So that's the idea behind that. So there you go. That's my that's this week's installment. I'm not going to be making any videos next week. I will probably be indisposed here next week. I will not be bringing this to Afterburn. It's not ready. This PV cells can't handle weather, and I don't have a way to get them up there right now anyway. I'm a little packed as it is. But hopefully at preheat or some other events between now, I would like to try and get this out public before the end of the year. So we'll see. But right now, it's working pretty well for 4 little houses. Till well, I want to say next week, but till next sometime, whenever I get to it.